how a healthy breakfast changes everything. Stop right there. I want you to close your eyes for just a second. Seriously, humor me. Now picture this. It's 7 a.m., the alarm is screaming, you drag yourself out of bed, and you are running on fumes. Maybe you grab a sugary granola bar, maybe you slam a coffee and call it good, or maybe, and be honest with yourself here, maybe you skip it altogether, convinced you're saving time. We've all been there, standing in the kitchen, feeling the low hum of morning desperation. But what if I told you that in those frantic first 10 minutes, you are making the single most important decision that will dictate the entire quality of your next 16 hours? That decision is your breakfast. And for too long, we've treated it like an afterthought, a quick fix, or worse, a sacrifice. We've been conditioned to think of breakfast as simply fuel, a mere transaction to stop the stomach from rumbling. But it is so much more profound than that. It is the ritual of declaration. It's where you announce to your body and your mind, today, I prioritize sustained energy, mental clarity, and deep lasting wellness. That initial choice isn't just about food, it's about setting an intention, a blueprint for success. And the difference between a grab-and-go sugar rush and a mindful, nutrient-dense meal is literally the difference between an exhausting sprint and a steady, powerful marathon. The chaos of modern life has tried to convince us that speed trumps substance, that we don't have time for a truly nourishing start. We see the sleek marketing of fortified cereals and instant oat packets, promising health but delivering a crash. The reality is, the 5 minutes you think you save by skimping on quality breakfast is repaid tenfold in the mental fog, the mid-morning slump, and the ravenous, uncontrolled hunger that derails your focus and forces poor decisions later on. The shift begins when we recognize the power of the plate. We need to reframe our morning meal from a task to a tool, a precision instrument designed to balance our blood sugar, ignite our metabolism, and stabilize our mood. Think of a perfect morning meal as a nutritional tripod. It requires high-quality protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Without protein, your hunger hormone, ghrelin, stays elevated, sending desperate signals to your brain within an hour, leading to that panicked search for anything sweet or salty. The simple, non-negotiable solution: eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or a scoop of clean protein powder integrated into your routine. This is the structural steel of your morning. Then, there are the carbohydrates, not the processed white flour or sugary syrups, but the slow-burning complexity found in old-fashioned rolled oats, whole grain bread, or fresh fruits. These are the sustained energy logs on the fire, releasing glucose slowly and consistently to your brain. This is what stops the brain fog from setting in at 10:30 a.m. Finally, the healthy fats: avocado, nuts, seeds, or a drizzle of olive oil. These are the satisfaction anchors. They slow digestion, ensure nutrient absorption, and tell your brain, we are safe, we are satiated, the hunt is over. When these three pillars are in balance, you are not just full, you are optimized. You are creating a biological environment of stability, which directly translates to emotional resilience. That moment when a stressful email lands in your inbox or a deadline looms, your body, well-nourished and steady, is now equipped to handle it with clarity instead of collapsing into a stress-induced sugar craving. We must move beyond the limited imagination of what a healthy breakfast can be. It's not just a bowl of oatmeal. It's savory breakfast bowls topped with an egg and leftover roasted vegetables. It's high-protein yogurt parfaits layered with berries and nuts. It's whole-grain toast crowned with avocado and everything bagel seasoning. The canvas is limitless, but the principles are rigid: protein, complex carbs, and good fats. This intentionality, this act of nourishing yourself with precision, is a radical form of self-respect. It's an investment that pays daily dividends in focus, mood, and sustained vitality. It's time to stop just eating breakfast and start engineering a powerful, productive morning. The greatest hurdle, the one that whispers doubt, is always the same: time. We believe healthy means complicated, multi-step, gourmet. This is the lie that keeps us reaching for the processed box. But the truth is, the most powerful healthy breakfast is often the one you prepare while you sleep. Enter the game-changing world of meal prep and overnight concepts. Think of overnight oats, a culinary marvel that requires 5 minutes of effort the night before and rewards you with a perfectly balanced, ready-to-eat meal the moment your eyes open. Mix rolled oats, your favorite milk, a scoop of chia seeds for fiber and protein, and a touch of natural sweetener like maple syrup, then refrigerate. That's it. You have just bypassed the morning rush entirely. Now, what about savory options? Hard-boiled eggs are your 24-hour protein fortress. Boil a dozen on Sunday and you have instant portable protein for 4 days. Pair 2 eggs with an apple and a handful of almonds, and you've hit all 3 nutritional pillars in less than 60 seconds. Consider the batch bake. egg muffins, or frittata cups. Whisk eggs with spinach, bell peppers, and a sprinkle of cheese. Pour into a muffin tin and bake. You now have 12 high-protein, perfectly portioned, microwave-friendly breakfasts waiting for you. This is the art of front-loading your health decisions. By spending 15 minutes on Sunday, you eliminate the mental fatigue of making a high-stakes choice when you are at your most vulnerable, tired, rushed, and stressed. This is not about being a weekend warrior chef. It's about being a strategic life architect. You are leveraging your calm, well-planned Sunday self to protect your frantic, time-constrained Tuesday self from making poor decisions. This strategic approach transforms breakfast from a source of stress into a moment of calm, predictable nourishment. The motivation behind these choices runs deeper than just losing weight or feeling full. It's about cognitive performance and emotional integrity. A healthy breakfast is, quite literally, brain food. Your brain, representing only 2% of your body weight, consumes over 20% of your daily calories. It needs a steady, reliable stream of glucose, not the spike and crash from a pastry, but the slow, consistent supply delivered by those complex carbohydrates and stabilizing proteins. When your blood sugar is a roller coaster, your mood follows suit: irritability, lack of focus, and an overwhelming sense of low energy. When you provide the brain with consistent premium fuel, you unlock a state of flow, sustained concentration, and emotional evenness. You become less reactive and more resilient. This is the true hidden power of that morning meal. It's a biohack for better decision-making and a calmer disposition. We talk constantly about hustle and grinding, but true high performance is predicated on stability, not frenzy. The quiet ritual of eating a nourishing breakfast, sitting down, chewing your food mindfully, engaging your senses, is your daily anchor. It's the moment you consciously pause the external chaos and internalize a sense of order and care. When you choose the oats, the eggs, and the berries over the quick processed fix, you are voting for your best self. You are demonstrating to yourself that your physical and mental energy is a precious resource worthy of being treated with premium care. So, as you prepare to face your next morning, I want you to remember that your first meal is a silent, profound conversation you have with your future self. It's not just a collection of calories, it's a commitment to sustained excellence. We've broken down the 3 pillars: protein, complex carbs, healthy fats, and we've armed you with the strategic power of overnight prep. The roadmap is clear, but the journey requires the discipline of intention. Will you continue to leave your most important meal to chance, letting the morning chaos dictate your energy, mood, and focus? Or will you embrace the radical act of nourishing yourself with precision, transforming those first 10 minutes into your most powerful tool for success? What small, one-step change will you make tomorrow morning to truly honor the potential of your day? If you found value in this video, leave a like, subscribe, and let's grow together. Nutrition and Rise.